Hello, everybody. Welcome back. Today we're going to be deep diving on type to speech and figuring out what's the best LM to use for your project. So basically, we're going to my favorite AI analysis website. They got a Arena here this is the site. You gotta always get verified as a human first. They don't want you to be wasting AI credits or something. I don't understand. But this is the Arena, so you start here. And then this is
NASA's twin study compared
let's pause that here for now. It's the prompt that it started. It's just the line that they told the AI to read. So this is the first model.
astronaut Scott Kelly, who spent a year in space with his twin on Earth to study long-term spaceflight effects.
NASA's twin study compared astronaut Scott Kelly, who spent a year in space, with his twin on Earth to study long-term spaceflight effects.
Honestly, I think I like the right side, so I'm gonna click prefer there. And then
The
we
first
vote
space
for
tourist,
Chatterbox
Dennis
HD
Tito,
instead of
paid
Fish
$20
Cage.
million to visit the
So
ISS in
honestly, you just keep
2001
voting so
aboard a
you
Russian Soyuz
boost the
spacecraft.
elos of
The
all the
first
models. And then basically we here we see all the type to speech models and see which one's the best. We can see that Mini Max Speech O2 HD is currently king. Even with not that many people voting on it, it's got an early lead already. So I bet once it gets shown as much as this model, it's gonna have a clear, like a very clear lead. And then if you click on the model, it's gonna tell you other stats about it, like characters processed per second, ELO where we saw in the main leaderboard, and then the price of it, and then the price shows the different prices for the different models that the brand offers. And then here you get a cool chart seeing where the ELO and price land. So honestly, your best bet is to take like Kokoro 82 million 1.0 right now. But yeah, and happy developing.